Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Harpreet. Today we are going to see a new strategy which is 945 strategy. We have already seen two strategies before. One was 915 strategy in 1 minute candlestick pattern and the other is 920 strategy in 5 minutes time frame. Now we will see 945 strategy in 15-minute time frame. Nifty 50, sensex and finnifty. These are the four indexes in which we can trade using this strategy. So we will see all the back testing in this tutorial in all the four indexes. So for 945 strategy, set the time frame at 15 minute time frame we will set from here. You can clearly see. Okay. So next, mark the high and low of 915 candle. We will be marking the 945 candle high and low as I'll show you. So if any candle after 945 breaks high of 945 candle with full body, then only we will take the call position. If only wick is breaking, we won't be taking. And same, if it breaks low of 945 candle, we will go for put side. So if high is breaking, we will go for call side. If low is breaking, we will go for put side. Always remember to trail your stop loss. This is very important. Many of the people don't trail their stop loss and end up in loss. So it is a clear strategy. 9:15 वाली 9:45 वाली कैंडल है, 15 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम है, उसका हाई एंड लो मार्क करना है हमें. अगर हाई ब्रेक करेगा, उसके बाद वाली कैंडल्स कोई भी हाई ब्रेक करेगी 9:45 वाले का, तो हमें एक बुलिश मोमेंटम मिलेगा और हम कॉल साइड पे ट्रेड लेंगे. ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी, अगर हमें दिखेगा कि 9:45 का लो ब्रेक कर रही है कोई कैंडल, सो हम पुट साइड पे बियरिश ट्रेड लेंगे और अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करेंगे. और सो लेट्स गो टू बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट. Today is 13th of July, so this is a recent chart. 12th of July we will backtest in bank nifty and sensex. So what we have to do is, when the market opens at 9:15 a.m., we have to first of all select the time frame in 15 minutes. Then this is the first candle. You can see this is the first candle of 12th July yesterday, and this is the second candle, 15-minute candle. This is the third 15-minute candle, which is 9:45 minute candle, 15 minutes. So we have to mark the high and low, and you can see once this high breaks, this high is breaking around 52,493 mark. So once the high breaks, we get a confirmation of taking the trade. So from 52,498 level, we can trail our profit. You can see a big move, 100 points here and 100 points here. We will be trading our profit. So clearly 200 points it has given. So on 12th we got trade according to 945 strategy. Now this is 11th of July. First candle is 9:15, second candle is inside, third candle is also inside, third candle is 9:45. At 9:45 we will mark the high and low. So we can clearly see around 52,116 mark. 10:15 candle is cutting the low of the 9:45 candle, 15-minute candle. So we will initiate our trade somewhere here in 52,116 mark, and we will trail our profit. This is a big move. You can see this is a big move around 150 points. Also you can trail your profit till here, and once you find reversal in the market, you can square off your profits. So here it is clearly, it has given 150 points. Now see, let's see of 10th July. So 10th July will mark the high and low of 9:45 candle. So we'll mark the high and low. You can clearly see 10 a.m. candle is inside candle, 10:15 is also inside, but 10:30 is breaking the low of 9:45 candle. So clearly we can initiate our trade at 52,197 mark input side, and we can easily trail our profit for 100 points, more than 100 points, 150 points I think. So good deal. We can trail our profit till 2-3 candles, as you can see. Let's see of 9 July how market performed. So 9 July you can clearly see 9:45 candle will mark the high and low. Will mark little big. So you can see at around 10:30 a.m. this green candle is uh, breaking the high of 9:45 candle. So here we are initiating our trade at call side 52,544 mark. So 544 to 619, around 70 points here we are getting. So we will trail our profit 10 points. We will trail our profit easily. We can get 20-30 points from here easily. We will not take many trades in a day. We will take 2 or 3 trades, maximum 2 trades in a day, but that should be accurate trade and that should fetch us profit. That is what our motto is. Next we'll see of 8th July. So 8th July, you can clearly see this is 9:15 candle. We'll mark the high and low. So high and low we have marked. You can clearly see the next candle, which is 10 a.m. candle. It is breaking 9:45 candle, and around 52,485 mark we are getting a trade. We will take our trade and clearly see it is giving around 50 points. And again this second candle you can see, so around 200 plus points we have got here. Again you can see at 10:30, 11:30 you can see again in the put side you can take this trade 52,399 level, 90 points here you will get. So both side of the table you have got trade on 8th of July. Let's see 5th of July, 6th and 7th was holiday. So this is 9:45 candle, will mark the high, will mark the low. Now clearly you can see this 10:15 candle, it is breaking the high of 9:45. So around 52,426 mark we are getting a trade, and this beautiful profit we can fetch of around 200 points. Good day for 9:45 strategy on 5th of July. Then we'll see 3rd of July and clearly see we're marking the high and low. A small trade we got downside, you can see, but this was a risky trade because it retraced again, gone back. So if you would have taken trade here, 20-30 points you would have got, but this was a risky trade. And again you can see on 3rd of July most of the candles are consolidating in the same manner, like this it is going. So small trades you would have got around 10:30. You got a trade around 53,066 mark. You got around 20 points here. Then most of the trades were very small. So I think on 3rd of July you got a small trades, 2-3. So kind of scalping trading you could have done here and fetched profit. Now let's see of 1st of July. So 1st of July you can see clearly 9:45 candle, this small red candle, kind of doji candle, big wick, small body. So you can see here it is the low of 9:45 candle broke at around 52,441 mark. And it is giving profit. It has given around 30 points. Then again you can see at around 10:15 am it has again initiated a trade, a bullish candle, 52,500 535 mark. It has again given a trade of around 30 points. So we don't have to do much in this setup. We just have to come to the market in the morning, apply 15-minute time frame, mark the third candle, which is 945 candle, high and low, and if the low breaks, we will go for put side. If the high breaks, we will go for call side. We are just back testing it, that how much accuracy this setup has. It is very important to back test any setup which you are going to use in the live market. The accuracy levels you will get. So till now we have got trade on each of the day. So this is 945 candle and then again next candle is inside, again 10:15 inside, 10:30 inside, 10:45 also inside kind of, because body is not breaking the low, only wick is breaking. Then this candle you can see clearly, 11 o'clock candle, it is breaking the low of 9:15 candle. So here around 52,900 mark we got a put side trade, will trail our profit, and you can see around 200 points, 180 points it has given. So this is huge profit. As soon as you'll see reversal in the market, you will book your trades, you'll book your profit, you'll square off your positions. So again on 27th of June we'll see this big candle is 945 candle, will mark the high and low. So you can clearly see the next candle gave us a beautiful trade around 23,034 mark. It has given us around 150 points here. We'll book 30-40 points and then start trailing our stop loss, or we'll book our profit depending upon the lot size and the mindset which you bring to the market. So clearly here we got a trade. Again we'll see 26th of June at around 9:45. You can see bullish candle with big wick and small body. Both side sellers and buyers are dominating. So this is 9:45, 10 o'clock candle. You can see this is an inside candle. 10:15 is also an inside candle. 10:30 is also an inside candle. And when you can see 1 hour, the market consolidated in this phase. So this is a kind of box where market consolidated for 1 hour, and after that you can see a big move in the market. So whenever market consolidates, after that you can see a big move in the market. So around 52,548 mark we got an initiation of trade which broke the high of 945 candle. So from 52,551 mark you can clearly see 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle. We have got 300 points, 350 points we have got. So easily even a beginner can book 50 points out of 350 points, and he can make a big profit. So this strategy is working every single day, as I am making you backtest here. So again we'll see 25th of June we are going to mark the high and low. So you can clearly see 945 candle. You can see the next candle, 10 a.m. candle, has broken, and a small margin of around 15-20 points it has given. And the next candle again it went high. So here a scalping trade you can initiate 20 points something. Again the third candle and the fourth candle, you can see if the trade you continue your trade, it has given considerable amount of around 100 points it has given. So 100 points out of 100 you can easily book 15-20 points, book your profit. So clearly we have got a trade, and you can see as per 945 strategy on 25th of June 2024 you can clearly see this 12-15 candle is taking support on this area. You can see this line, and from here you can initiate a trade from this body part, leave this wick part. So easily 52,100 mark you would have taken this trade, and easily you can see easily it has given 500 points. So this rally you should have captured as per 945 strategy. 945 strategy is a famous strategy. It is a back tested strategy, and it is being used for years. Again on 24th will come, as this is 15-minute time frame, so we get more confirmation what the market is about to do. So we get a clear indication and clear confirmation. So this is 9:45, a small candle. Then the next candle, 10 a.m. candle, is breaking the high of 9:45 candle. So at this point you can see we are getting a trade 51,277 mark. We are getting a trade, and you can see this rally. Just see this rally. 400 points straight away you have got. A beginner can easily fetch 50 points. If he has a lot size of 100 shares, for example, and if he has taken 50 points out of 300 points, which a beginner can take, so 50 into 100, 5,000. So 5,000 rupees he can make easily within an hour. Or see, like at 10 o'clock he has taken a trade, and if he will square off here half an hour, in a duration of half an hour, he will fetch, even if he will fetch 50 points, he will offer in a lot size of 100, so he will easily make 5,000 rupees profit. Now we'll see 21st of June. So 21st of June, you'll see 9:45 candle. We are marking the high and low. So you can clearly see we are getting a downside put side trade at 10:30, and at 10:30, 9:45 candle low is breaking. So here we are initiating our trade 51,491. We are getting around 150 points. You can see 150 points easily. A beginner can take 50, 40, 30, anything. He can make profit. Who has told you that you have to take all 150 points? Out of 150 points, if you are able to take 15 points also, 10% of the rally, you will be a profitable trader. So don't focus on entire thing. Just focus on what you want out of market. Market is ready to give everything. Now we'll see 20th of June. So this is a big red candle. You can see on 20th of June, market open at gap up, but first candle of 15 minute is red, second red, third red. So whenever this happens, you can see a reversal in the market. Like this is a V-shaped recovery. This is a very famous V-shaped pattern, like I have discussed with you, a W pattern. So this is a V-shaped pattern. So you can clearly see this is a short candle, and this is the candle which made this reversal. So we'll not focus on this things now. I'll explain you in the later tutorials. So 9:45 candle, we have marked the high and low. See, it is cutting around 11:30. This candle is breaking the high of 9:45. So here we'll take around 51,588 mark. We'll take the trade, and clearly we can see 120 points it is given. Who wants 120 points? Everyone wants 30, 40, 50, 60. If half of the points also we will be able to capture, we'll make a good profit. So clearly you can see there was an opportunity as per 9:45 strategy. Then we'll see 19th of June. Again you can see there is a gap up. See, this gap is considered as gap up if the first candle is green and it is above the last day closing, so we consider it as gap up market. And first candle is green, so this is a bullish momentum. First, second and third, we will mark the high and low of the third candle. Okay, so we are marking, see, we are marking a big line. So you can clearly see a downside trade we got around 50,917 mark, 10:15 a.m. So here we could have taken a trade, and easily you can see 150 points you've got. In this 150, just focus on 50 and square off. Otherwise, keep a trailing stop loss. That minimum profit you will fetch, you won't be getting any loss, and minimum profit you will be getting, and keep trailing your profit. When the market comes here, keep stop loss here. When the market comes here, keep stop loss here. When the market comes here, keep stop loss here. When the market comes here, keep stop loss here. When the market is here, your stop loss is here. If the market comes here and hits your stop loss, so this much you have taken, this much. That is what is trailing stop loss. Okay. So again, one more beautiful move you have seen, at 145. You can clearly see from here to here, huge. You can clearly see 51,200 mark to, you can see 900 700 points as per 700 here and 150 here, 850 points you got as per 945 strategy. You can see clearly. Then let's see 18th of June. 18th of June will mark the high and low of 945 candle. This is 945 candle. So this day the market consolidated kind of, but you can see a trade. As per all my setups, you are easily getting 100 points daily, which can make you profitable trader and fetch you very good profit. So see, we are getting a trade at 11:15 am, 50,000 to 53 mark we are getting a trade, and you can see 100 points we got here, around 80 points, 100 points, and again this rally is going up. So easily we have made profit on 18th. Let's see 14th June chart. 14th June will mark the high and low. 945 candle is bullish. Green candle, big green candle. After this candle brought a reversal, so we can easily make our trade here around 49,912 mark. We can easily initiate a trade and easy profit we are getting here. This candle will trail our stop loss easily, 200 points. Consecutive 3 candles are green, so easily we got a trade here, as easy as this. On 13th of June we'll see, we'll mark the high and low. See, you can see this 10-15 candle is breaking the low of 945 candle at around 49,223 level. So clearly you are getting a trade here from 930 to 844, 50 points you got here. You will be trailing your stop loss. एक बिगनर बंदा 10-15 पॉइंट तो ले ही लेगा. So as your experience will increase in the market, you'll be getting the trades. You'll be booking more points as per your experience. This is 945 candle. After this, you can see from here you can initiate your trade around 50,080 mark, and it has gone, given 140 points. Again inside candle, again the bullish pattern, the bullish candle. So here 150 point. Out of 150 point you would have booked around 30-40 points. As a beginner you will first book 10 points, 5 points, 2 points. You will start with 2 points, but as you approach and you will have experience in the market, you will go for 20, 30, 40, 50 points. So then we'll see 11th June. So clearly you can see 11th June will mark the high and low, and you can see first candle is bearish, second is also bearish, then a reversal came, then you have seen a V-shaped recovery. This is a V-shaped recovery, very popular term in the market. I'll discuss this later. Then you can see 10 AM candle is also bullish, and here we got a small scalping trade 49,830 लेवल से लेकर आपको 70 लेवल तक 40 पॉइंट्स यहाँ मूव हुए हैं. You can easily book 10 points. As a beginner you can easily book 5 points. Then now don't say you cannot book 5 points out of 40 points. So you have to learn scalping. I'll make you learn in live market. I'll make a full detailed tutorial also what scalping is. Then we'll see 10th of June. This candle 9:45 candle will mark the high and low. We are marking the high and low. You can easily see we got a trade here at around 10:15 AM. 49,946 मार्क वी गॉट अ ट्रेड. यहाँ से आराम से हम ट्रेड लेकर 50 पॉइंट्स दिए हैं इस ट्रेड ने. हम इजीली 15-20 पॉइंट्स बुक कर सकते थे. आउट ऑफ 50 पॉइंट्स स्कैल्पिंग कर सकते थे. हमें लगता है कि ये इतना स्मॉल ट्रेड है. अगर आप 100 क्वांटिटीज़ से मिनिमम कोई भी ट्रेडर 50 क्वांटिटीज़ 100 क्वांटिटीज़ एज अ बिगनर ट्रेड करता है. अगर आप 100 क्वांटिटीज़ से ट्रेड करते हो और आप अगर इस 50 पॉइंट से इस जगह से अगर आप 10 पॉइंट भी लेते हो और हम आपके क्वांटिटी 100 है तो 100 इंटू 10 यू विल बी गेटिंग 1000 रुपीज़. सो अगर आप 20 पॉइंट्स ले लेते तो 2000 रुपीज़ हो जाता. सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. The thing is you should see this tutorial and learn things and apply in live market. Start from a small lot size of around, start with 1 lot, backtest it, then go for 4 lots. When I have started, I have also started with 3 lots, 4 lots, then I went to 10 lots. Now I am trading with 20 lots. So आस्ते आस्ते बढ़ेगा. 7th of June you can see. So 7th of June will mark the high and low. Now you can see this candle, this bullish candle, around 10:30 we got a trade at around 49,483 mark, and you can see these 3 candles, consecutive 3 candles are bullish. So easily we can book a profit here. 150 points we got easily. Again 6th of June we'll backtest for 2 months. So this is 9:45 candle. This is 9:30 candle. This is 9:45 candle. So we have marked the high and low. Clearly we got a trade at 10:15. Bullish candle, got a call side trade, 49,378 mark, and clearly got 150 points easily. 150 points से हम यहाँ 50 points ले सकते थे. Now don't tell me you cannot take. Just you have to invest time in the market. Then we'll see of 5th June. 5th June आप देख सकते हो ये 10:45 वाली कैंडल है. इसका हाई एंड लो मार्क करेंगे. क्लियरली देख सकते हो 5th of June को खाली अपसाइड रैली हुई है. सो कितना प्रॉफिट आपको मिल सकता था, यू कैनॉट इमेजिन. यू कैन इनिशिएट योर ट्रेड फ्रॉम 46,970, 975, 950 लेवल. यहाँ से इजीली आप ट्रेल करते अपना प्रॉफिट यहाँ तक. फिर आप अपना स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते यहाँ तक. अगर इनकेस आप स्क्वायर ऑफ भी कर लेते, फिर मार्केट नीचे आया है, वी शेप रिकवरी आई है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी दिस वी शेप रिकवरी. सो ईजिली यहाँ तक फिर मार्केट ने बूम किया है. अगर आप यहाँ लेकर भी छोड़ देते और यहाँ तक चल जाता, सो कैन यू इमेजिन कितने पॉइंट्स हैं. ईजिली आपको 800-900 पॉइंट मिल जाते. सो दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ 9:45 स्ट्रैटेजी. 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पर 4 जून का देख लेते हैं. यू कैन क्लियरली सी a green candle with higher wick. And clearly see 9:45 यहाँ पर एक ट्रेड इनिशिएट हुआ है हमारा. बियरिश कैंडल है पुट साइड पे 49,035 मार्क पे. यहाँ से क्लियरली यू कैन सी वी गॉट अ डाउन साइड ट्रेड 49,000 से लेकर 46,000. बिग मूव, बहुत बड़ा मूव है ये. 2,500 पॉइंट है. 2,500 पॉइंट से ईजिली हम 500 पॉइंट चुरा सकते थे. नाउ अगेन 3rd of June 3 जून को देखते हैं। सो 3 जून को आप देख सकते हो ज़्यादा मोमेंटम नहीं है मार्केट में। स्टिल आप यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड हमारा बना है, हायर साइड पे गया है। अराउंड 10-15 वाली कैंडल ने 945 कैंडल का हाई ब्रेक किया है। कॉल साइड पे हम 50,500 पे एक ट्रेड इनिशिएट कर सकते थे, जो कि हमें आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो इतनी छोटी कैंडल हमें 50 पॉइंट्स दे रही है। तो 5 पॉइंट्स हम ले सकते थे यहाँ से। 5 पॉइंट्स लेके ट्रेडिंग स्टॉप लॉस हमारा अगर हिट हो जाता, 5 पॉइंट्स मिलते, 100 का लॉट साइज रहता, 500 पॉइंट्स मिल जाते। सो ईजिली 15 मिनट्स में 500 रुपीज़ आप कमा लेते। देन विल सी 31 मई आप देख सकते हो 945 वाली कैंडल बेयरिश बनी है। और यहाँ से हमें एक डाउन साइड ट्रेड मिला है अगली कैंडल पे। 10 AM कैंडल गिव अस अ डाउन साइड ट्रेड अराउंड 48,825 मार्क, easily got 100 points, 80 odd points. We can easily take 30%, 40% we can capture this easily, 30-40 points we can fetch. And again you can see a downside rally, so we will be trailing our stop loss and we will be booking our profits easily 100 points. If you are an expert in scalping, you can easily book 100 points. Now we'll see 30 May chart of Bank Nifty 15-minute time frame applying 945 strategy. So you can clearly see 945 पे after this high and low you can clearly see यहाँ पे हमें एक ट्रेड मिल रहा है 48,727 मार्क पे। we got a trade, a beautiful trade easily। यहाँ 80 पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं। we will be trading our stop loss, we will be capturing 20-30 points out of 80 points and booking our profit. Again you can see 1045 पे again we got a trade downside, we got 200 points here। so easily हमें 2 trades मिले हैं on 30 May। even we got a third trade here, a small scalping trade, you can see this at around 48,817 mark। यहाँ हमें 40 points मिले हैं। even a layman can capture 4 points out of 40 points। बस 10% तो कैप्चर करना है। 1000 का लॉट साइज होगा, 4 पॉइंट लोगे, 4,000 रुपीज़ प्रॉफिट बुक हो जाएगी। सो इजी मनी, एक्सपीरियंस एंड प्रैक्टिस चाहिए बस। देन अगेन यहाँ हम देखेंगे 945, यहाँ देखेंगे 945 वाली कैंडल का लो ब्रेक हुआ है। तो यहाँ से क्लियरली 48,791 पे हम एक पुट साइड का ट्रेड मिला है और इजीली वी विल ट्रेल आवर प्रॉफिट फॉर 100 पॉइंट्स। ये रैली डाउन साइड की है, इजीली वी कैन कैप्चर गुड पॉइंट्स। यहाँ भी हमें ट्रेड मिला है। एवरी डे वी आर गेटिंग ट्रेड, एवरी सिंगल डे वी विल बी बैक टेस्टिंग फॉर couple of more this my month, June month we have seen and a little of July। now you can see here we can see a red candle marking the high and low। so you can see यहाँ पे हमें 28 मई को थोड़ा सा रुक कर ट्रेड मिला है आफ्टर कीपिंग सम पेशेंस, बिकॉज ऑल द कैंडल्स आर इनसाइड कैंडल एंड द मार्केट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग एट अराउंड you can say 10:30 we got a small scalping trade of around 20-30 points, 40 points। again around 10:45 a rally, you can see a downside put side rally where we can easily fetch 100 points। then 27th of May we'll see the third 945 candle is a red candle with a big body, small wick will be marking the high and low. So easily you can see at around 10:30 the high breaks of 945 and 949,284 level. A trade is initiated. You are getting 50 points here. After you can easily book 10-20 points. Again at around 12:15 you got a हैंडसम ट्रेड 49,297 मार्क पे, और यहाँ आप देख सकते हो 4 कैंडल्स ने आपको 400 पॉइंट्स दिए हैं, 400 पॉइंट्स। अगर आप एक बिगनर भी होते तो आप 50 पॉइंट्स बुक कर सकते थे 400 पॉइंट्स में, इजीली आप प्रॉफिट बना सकते थे। 24 ऑफ मई का देखेंगे हम चार्ट। थर्ड कैंडल रेड बनी है, बियरिश, आप देख सकते हैं इस जगह पे हमें एक ट्रेड इनिशिएट हुआ है, स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है 48,726 मार्क पे। So here we are getting 60-70 points. This is a scalping kind of trade. We could have easily booked profit. And again यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2 बजे के लगभग at around 2 PM you got a trade here 48,912 mark. Easily आपको यहाँ पे 100 पॉइंट्स की रैली मिली है। So यहाँ आप बुक कर सकते थे। Again I am repeating this, you only have to take 2 trades in a day, but make sure those trades are profitable and you make a good profit out of it. Over trading नहीं करनी है, just stick to one strategy which suits you. मैं अपने चैनल पे around 20-25 स्ट्रैटेजीज डालने वाला हूँ। आप देखो आपको कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी सूट करती है, आपका माइंडसेट को, आपके सेटअप को, आपके लॉट साइज को, आपके टाइमिंग को, कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी सूट करती है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी looking for trade according to those strategies, and you will be booking your profit. Again we will see this 945 candle, a green candle. This is a green candle, so clearly we can see यहाँ पे हमें एक ट्रेड मिला है 10-15 पे। At 10:15 we got a trade, and from 10:15 easily this candle अगर कोई बिगनर होता और 84,214 पे लेता, and you can see 150 points alone this candle gave you 150 points. But if you can trail your profit, then see how much profit market can give you. So it is always recommended to trail your profit. क्या होगा, स्टॉप लॉस हिट होगा, पोजीशन स्क्वायर ऑफ हो जाएगी, एटलीस्ट यू विल लैंड इन प्रॉफिट। बट ये तो नहीं होगा ना कि आपने प्रॉफिट छोड़ दी जो मार्केट आपको दे रहा था, बिकॉज मार्केट बहुत मुश्किल से आपको प्रॉफिट देता है। एंड व्हेन मार्केट गिव्स यू प्रॉफिट, टेक इट विथ बोथ द हैंड्स। विल बी मार्किंग द हाई एंड लो of 945 candle. You can clearly see यहाँ पे हमें एक ट्रेड मिलेगा 11 बजे at around 11 AM we got a put side trade 47,700 मार्क पे, एंड यहाँ 50 पॉइंट्स का एक स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है। सो इजीली हम एक स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड ले सकते हैं। हमें यहाँ बहुत सारे स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड डाउन साइड पे देखने को मिल रहे हैं। आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो ये वाला एक बिग स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड आपको मिला है। यहाँ पर भी एक स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है, 2-3 कैंडल्स की रैली है। 945 पे आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो 47,692 पे आपको एक ट्रेड मिला है डाउन साइड पे। इजीली आपको प्रॉफिट देके जा रहा है। आप जस्ट 10 मिनट रुकते, 30-40 पॉइंट्स बुक करते हैं, स्क्वायर ऑफ कर लेते, क्योंकि डे एंड था मार्केट का। अगेन हम 21 ऑफ मई को देखेंगे। 21 ऑफ मई को हम देख सकते हैं हमें एक डाउन साइड स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड मिला है, बहुत छोटा सा, बट स्टिल इफ़ यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेडर, यहाँ पर आप छोटा सा प्रॉफिट बना सकते थे अपना 10 AM पे। या तो 10-15 पे एक छोटा सा एटलीस्ट 5 पॉइंट्स ले सकते थे यहाँ पर। उसके बाद आप देख सकते हो 10-15 पे अगेन हाई ब्रेक किया है, और ये तीन यू कैन क्लियरली सी 3 consecutive candles made a rally upside, bullish side, a bull run. So clearly you can see 48,120 mark to 48,180. So 60 points market gave you. Take with both the hands, at least take 20 out of 60. Again 18th of May we will see, 17th of May we will see, 17th of May. This is big, this green big candle is 945 candle. So we'll be marking the high and low. See, I am making you backtest all these strategies so that you will be 100% assured that yes, we can make money using these strategies, and whatever strategy is fitting your mindset, go for it. So this is 945 candle. You can see 10:15 am this candle broke the high of 945 candle at around 48,000, and you can clearly see just one candle gave you 100 points. 2 3 4 candles you will be trailing your stop loss easily. Out of 150 200 points you'll be booking 50 points at least, as I assume you will be doing. Again 16th of May we'll see. So this green candle is 945 candle. So we'll be marking the high and low. Then you will be seeing at around 10:15 we got a trade, downside put trade, 47,000 sorry, 745 we got a put side trade easily we made 80 points, and if we will be trailing our stop loss easily we will be making 300-400 points, which is a good profit. And the best thing about this strategy is this is more trustworthy because you are getting a 15-minute time frame to trust your setup. Again we'll be marking the high and low of 15th of May. You can see clearly we are getting a downside trade. We'll be initiating our trade around 47,830 level, and easily we are getting a profit here. So easy profit, easy 100-200 points profit we are getting. Then you can see of 14th of May. So 14th of May, this candle, no? This big candle. Even I got confused looking at this candle. So much big. Throughout the day, the market consolidated in this June and only. So clearly we can see the market consolidated throughout the day in this June. We got one scalping trade here, but these are the risky trades because market retraced after going up. So 1-2 scalping trade only we got on 14th of May. Let's see 13th of May. So we will see 13th of May chart. 945 candle. We'll be marking high and low. We'll be marking high and low of 15-minute chart. You can clearly see 945 candle. After that, next candle is an inside candle, again inside, again kind of inside. So here 930, a downside trade is there, a scalping trade, a small one, but I won't recommend. Then you can see you got a good trade at 11:15. Green candle breaking the high of previous candles, 945 candle. So around 47,145 mark you can take your trade and trail your profit. So clearly you can see 4-5 green candles, around 300 points profit you can easily fetch from this trade of 13th May as per 945 strategy. Then we'll see of 10th May. 10th May, we can see there is a green candle formed at 9:45. So we'll mark the high, low. So we can clearly see a breakout at 10 p.m. 10 a.m. So high break हुआ है 9:45 वाली कैंडल का. So we got a trade at 47,731 mark. Easily 100 plus point we got. Easily 100 points. हमें एक और ट्रेड मिला है. We got another trade at around, you can say, 10:30 candle gave us 12:30 candle gave us another trade. और easily आप देख सकते हो एक पुट साइड का ट्रेड मिला है 47,583 मार्क में, जिसने कि easy प्रॉफिट दिया है हमें. 200 पॉइंट्स की रैली दी है डाउन साइड की. सो वी गॉट 2 ट्रेड्स फ्रॉम 9:45 strategy. We'll see 9th of May. So 9th of May chart we'll see at 9:45 we'll mark the high and low. I'm teaching you as easy as a beginner, so please try to learn and implement. So you can see 9:45 strategy candle is formed red bearish candle. So we mark the high and low. The next candle you can see it has broken the low of previous candle. So at this mark 48,039 mark we got a trade downside. See, you can see 2 consecutive candles are bearish. So put side trade we got. So we are easily getting 200 points here. So easily we are getting 200 points. Then you can see here the market consolidate again. If you will book the big rally, you'll easily get 500 plus points. Let's see 8th May chart. So 8th May you can see the third candle 9:45 candle is red, which is bearish. So you can see the next candle is kind of inside candle again at 10:15 a candle form. So from here you can initiate a trade 48,069 level, and you can see 150 points already given. So again we got trade on 8th May. Let's see 9th May scenario, 7th May. So on 7th May we'll be marking this candle 9:45 high and low. So you can clearly see the second candle is breaking the low of the first candle. At 10 o'clock we will be initiating our trade 48,632 level. So from here you can see a rally downward side. Easily we can book 200 points. Next we'll see 6th May chart. On 6th May we can see easily see 2-3 candles are inside, and this candle 10-15th candle broke the high of 9:45 candle. Here we will take a scalping trade 49,134 mark, and easily 40 points movement is there. So we'll take 5, 7, 10 points and we'll square off. We'll trail our profit, and then the reversal happened, and this it will hit our stop loss, and automatically our positions will be square off in profit, although less profit, but this was a scalping trade, so it's enough for this trade. Then we'll see 3rd May. So 3rd of May we'll see the fourth candle is at 10 p.m. we got a trade after 9:45 candle at 49,384 mark. So we got a downside put trade. So first candle you can see 100 points, second, third, fourth, fifth you can trail your profit till here. Then maybe your stop loss will be hit as this green candle formed, but still you can see from 398 300 points you got. So this is a big move. Then we'll see 2nd of May. This is a candle with slight body and bigger wick. So we'll be marking the ups and low. So you can clearly see 3-4 candles are consecutive inside candles, and here you can see on 11 a.m. candle broke the low. So here it is giving us a, then again April 30th we'll see 1-2 days of April we'll see, and we'll move to Nifty 50 and then sensex. So this 9:15 candle, you can see green candle, full body candle. So this is 9:45 candle, 15 minute. So after this, where we are getting trade, let me draw till here. Someday you'll get trade little late, but it will be worth waiting. So you can clearly see around 2 p.m. we are getting a trade at 49,639 mark, and from here, from 639 to, you can see 918, 300 points rally it has given, and this is a doji. This represents the reversal trade. So 300 points we booked here. So that's all for Nifty Bank. So we applied 2 months, we done back testing, and each day we are getting profit. Someday we are getting 30 points, and someday we are getting around 800-900 points. So now we'll go to sensex and then Nifty 50. So this is sensex chart. You know sensex is very volatile. So it is 15-minute time frame. We'll see if this strategy, 9:45 strategy, works in sensex or not. Because if it will work in sensex, it will give us huge profit. So this 9:45 will mark here high and low of 9:45, and you can see at around 10:45 we are getting a trade around 80,227 mark, and easily we are getting 300 points rally in a single 15-minute. We are booking 300 points. So easily we will trail our stop loss, we will not take risk, and we will book our profit. Next we'll see 11th of July. This was 12th of July. So 11th of July we'll see this is a red candle, small candle, 9:45 will be marking low and high. You can clearly see at 10 a.m. around 79,872 mark, it broke the low of 9:45 candle, and from this level we got 1 and 2 candles profit. 300 points we made, easy money. Okay, again you can see on 10th of July, you can see marking the high and low of 9:15, and the next candle you can see this 10 a.m. candle, it gave us the move around 80,100 level. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 500 points. You can see 500 points. Even a beginner can book 100 points here out of 500, and we can book much more if I'm not wrong. We'll see 9th of July marking the high and low, marking the high and low of 15-minute. So here we got clearly we got a trade. You can see at around 11 a.m. we got a trade 80,220 level, 1 2 3. It is a rally. We can do scalping here, book small profits, and again here we can make a re-entry, green candle. You can see again we can make a green re-entry, and we can book 100 points here. See, you can see these 2 consecutive green candles. So again profit 9:45 strategy. This you can see after 9:45 around here 10 a.m. candle around 79,872 level, it broke the high of the previous candle, gave us trade. So easily from here 2 candles you can see we can book 70-80 points. It was a scalping trade. Again, all the days you won't be getting a trade in long position, but even by scalping you will be earning lots of points. (9:45) on 5th of July, clearly see at 10:15 we got a trade 79,684 level. Easy money, easily gave 100 points. Easily gave 100 points. Again we got a trade here. You can see this wick is touching its high, 915 945 candle high. So again 76,672 level we are getting a trade, and see, you can see again 100 points we got here. Let's see of 4th of July, marking the high and low, marking the high and low. Here we are getting 80,300 level. We are getting a downside put trade, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles. So you can see we are getting 250 points here. Easy trade, 945 strategy. I hope everyone is familiar and will use this strategy from now onwards to book their profits. So we mark the high and low here. So you can clearly see at 11 AM we got a small trade here, a scalping trade, and the second consecutive candle is more bearish. 60 points it gave us. 60 points. We could easily stole 6 points, 10 points, or 15 points out of 60, I suppose, if we are aware of the move and ready with our execution part. Again on 2nd of July, I'm marking the high and low. So you can see 10th of, you can see on 2nd of July at 10 AM we got a trade at 79,420 mark. 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles. So it broke the high of 945 candle, and around 300 points we got. 1st of July, you can see small red candle with a bigger wick, 945. So clearly a sweet trade we have here. 11:15, 79,285 level. I will initiate a trade here, 285 level, and you can see where it has gone. 200 points. At least as a beginner you could have taken 20 points out of 200 points, if I'm not wrong. Then this on 28th of June, marking the high and low, you can see this 11:15 downside movement. Easily you could have taken put and booked your profit. Then we will see 27th of June. We can see green candle, 945 candle. We will be marking the low and high. So clearly after this 10 PM we are getting a trade. We are getting 2 consecutive green candles, big move from 78,822 level to 79,000, around 200 points. Then we'll see 26th of June. You can clearly see this small candle with small body and big wick. So both the sellers and buyers are dominating. So we can see we got a trade here around 10:15 AM. We got a trade 78,077 mark. From here 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 4 5. This was a suspicious candle, but again you can see the rally. Easily you can book 300-400 points easily. Easy money. I hope this strategy is easy for everyone. Then again I mark this 9:45 low and high, 25th of June. So you can clearly see here at 12:15 we got a trade as per this 9:45 strategy at 77,623 mark. From 623 you can see, 300-350 points it has given easily without any risk. Just you need to trail your stop loss. Again 9:45 at 24 June. So 24 June clearly marking the high and low. So here you can see at 10:30 you'll see a bullish candle. So 77,037 mark. From here it will go till 366, 300 point easy points. 21st of June, this candle, green candle. You can see every day some of the or the other profit you are getting. Someday long position, someday scalping position. For example, this you can see downside trade. 10:30 candle broke the low of 9:45 candle. This is a consolidation phase. Inside candle you can see. So from 77,415 mark you can see 300 points. So this is not a scalping trade, this is a long trade, long position. Easy, because easily you are getting 300 points. Scalping is for 10, 20, 30 points, not for 300 points. Getting my point? So 9:45 here, marking the high and low. So you can clearly see 10:45, 77,330 we took a trade, easily gone up, given 100 and 150 points easy. 19th of June we'll see. 19th of June, this candle is 9:45. So you can see 77,397. You can take a put position easy at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. candle broke the low of the 9:45 candle. So from 379 to you can see 73, 300 points easy. 18th of June. 18th of June you can see marking the high and low. Marking the high and low, you can see getting trade on a downside easy. Again 13th of June we'll see marking the high and low. We got a scalping trade here around 11 a.m. or 11:15, a small scalping from you can say 76,780 level to 40 level, that 40 points. From 40 points a scalper can easily take 4 points, 4.6 points easily. So here on 13th we got scalping trade. Then we'll see 12th. On 12th we got, on 12th you can see at 10 a.m. we got a trade at 76,901 easy. 150 points easy. Again if you'll make this mark long, here you got a trade at 1:30. At 1:45 at the afternoon you can see a put side trade 76,809 mark. From here it has gone down, so again 200 points here. Okay, happy with this strategy. Again you can see high and low here. from on 11th of June, you can see at 10 a.m. from 76,539 mark to 76691, easy. Then on 10th of June, this big candle, big red candle, 945. So you can see, since here we don't have body, we have only wick, so we won't be taking this, we will be going for this. 10:15 a.m. at 76,781 level, we would have initiated a trade and would have taken 30-40 points, stole 30-40 points. Again we got a chance here, 76,776, again 40-50 points we got to stole here and book our positions in profit for the day. Again you can see on 7th of June, this 945 candle, easily you can see it at around 10:30, easily you can see 75,635 mark, we would have initiated a trade again, and this you can see the long position, 1,000 point, 900, 1,000 point it is giving, huge. That is the magic of 945 strategy. I'm using these strategies since last 3 years. After so much confirmation, I'm sharing these strategies with you. Around 74,862 mark, we are getting our first trade at 10 a.m. So from here you can see a clear 300-400 points rally on 5th of June. You can see $9.45 candle, $9.45 candle, you can see got a trade at 10 a.m. here, 416, this 200, 150 point candle, this again got a trade at 10:30. We will be trailing our profit. For example, if you would have taken a trade here, it has gone here. If you were trailing your stop loss, again this candle came down, so as soon as this candle came down, your stop loss will be triggered and your positions will be squared off. Okay, again the next candle, when the next candle is formed, you can see it is a green candle, again you can initiate a fresh trade, and from here it went here 400 points clearly, 300-400 points. You can easily book 50 points, 70 points according to your convenience and book your profit. That is why I suggest you to use this 945 strategy. You can see we have this 3-4 candles are consolidating. We are getting a trade at 9:30. At 9:30 position we are getting a trade 74,232 mark, and you can see 1-2 straight away, 2 candles it is given. So around 1,000 point rally, you can see you can trail your profit as per your convenience. 3rd of June, we'll see this is a 15-minute candle. On 3rd of June, market consolidated throughout the day, so we'll see if we got any trade or not. So clearly you can see we got a small trade at 76,025 mark. How much? 50 points, easily 30 points, 20 points we could have stolen. So we'll see of 30th of May, 1-2 days we'll see, and then we will exit. Then we'll see of Nifty 50, 9:15. Simply what you have to do, you have to come to the market 15 minute time frame. You have to mark the high and low of 9:45 candle, like I did. This candle is 9:45. So marking the high and low, and you can see at 10 o'clock this candle is breaking the low of 9:45. So here you are taking your trade 74,218 level. Easily you can see it is going downward. 150 to 100 points you could have made. So that's all for sensex. We have seen Nifty bank and sensex. Let's see Nifty 50 for 40 days, 50 days we'll see, and then we'll end this session. So we can see we have 15 minutes time frame in candlestick chart. So on 12th of July 2024, this was 15-minute candle marking the high and low. Okay, so clearly you can see 10:45 we are getting a trade at 24,424. So from this level 400 to 530, 130 points you can see clearly, and here 170, 180 points clearly you are getting. So as I've told you earlier, all the strategies work on different conditions, but this strategy 9:45, which is 15-minute candle strategy, it works on bank nifty, sensex, as well as nifty 50. Clearly see you got a trade, downside trade at 10 o'clock. Easily you can see 200 points, easy points. And nifty 50 is less volatile, so easy to trade for the beginners. Even I've started with nifty 50 when I started my trading 3 years back. 9:45. So this is the candle 9:45. Again clear profit, you can see marking the high and low, taking the trade on its breakdown. So clearly 24,366 मार्क से लेकर आपको easy यहाँ पर 200 पॉइंट्स देखने मिले हैं. Easily a beginner can fetch 30-50 points easily. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो 9th of July का चार्ट है, हाई एंड लो मार्क किया है. So easily यहाँ से you can see this candle, this is a wick breakout, so we won't be considering this. This is a body breakout, 24,384 mark. So we can see this, we got a trade from here, easy 50 points. Again on 8th of July we'll see this candle with big wick and small body, almost negligible body, market long. So this candle is giving you 10-15 candle is giving you the out break in call side. You can easily take 20 at 24,303 level, and easy you can see 20 points easy 20 points. You can you can take 10 points, 5 points, even 2 points are, if you'll take 2 points end up taking 2 points. 2 points are also profitable. Any profit is a big profit. Even no loss is a profit in stock market. So here you can see clearly this candle is breaking the high with body 10 a.m. So at 10 o'clock candle. So from here we'll book all the 3 candles, and as the 4th candle is reversal, so we will be trailing our stop loss, and our stop loss will hit automatically, positions will be squared off. So no need to worry that once for some time we will have profit, then we will end up in loss. No, you won't be ending up in loss. The only कंडीशन इज यू विल बी ट्रेलिंग योर स्टॉप लॉस। अगर आपके पास 10 पॉइंट आपको मिले हैं तो आप 0 पे लगाओगे, फिर आपको 20 पॉइंट मिल गए तो आप 10 पॉइंट पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाओगे, फिर आप जब आपको 30 पॉइंट मिले हैं आप 20 पॉइंट पे लगाओगे, आपको 100 पॉइंट मिले हैं आप 90 पॉइंट पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाओगे। इन केस अगर 100 पॉइंट से मार्केट नीचे आता है 90 पॉइंट तक तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट करेगा, यू विल एंड अप गेटिंग 90 पॉइंट्स एंड मेकिंग प्रॉफिट आउट ऑफ योर ट्रेड, जो कि सब करते हैं, सब प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर्स करते हैं मार्केट में। यहाँ पर यू कैन सी 10-15 पे आपको एक डाउन साइड पुट का ट्रेड मिला है इजी 24,373 पे, इजी 40-50 पॉइंट्स 70 पॉइंट्स फॉर 3 कैंडल्स यू गॉट। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो 45 वाली कैंडल है इजी, यहाँ ट्रेड नहीं है, यहाँ ट्रेड नहीं है, इस जगह पे 10-11-15 पे आपको ट्रेड मिला है 24,266 लेवल यू गॉट अ ट्रेड फॉर 20 पॉइंट्स। अगेन हियर 3 p.m. you got a trade 24,267, but this was a little risky I would say. On 3rd of July market consolidated, on 1st of July we'll see this is wick candle, reddish 945, we'll be marking the high and low. So clearly you can see here we are getting a handsome trade around 11:15, 24,084 level up to 14, so 30 points easy trade, then consolidation and a bull move, a bull run, you can see the 28th of June 9:45 candle marking the high and low. So here we got a trade 11:15 again downside trade for 20 points 30 points, and this one you can see a big trade, this one you can see again at 24,124 mark, this then market tried to go up but it moved down gradually for the consecutive 3 candles, got a big move of 100 plus points. Then on 27th of June marking the top and bottom, so from here you can see these 2 consecutive candles, easy profit you can book these 2 consecutive candles. Again you got a trade at this point. Here again I think in Nifty 50 you're getting more chances, more trades for as per this 9:45 strategy. Then we'll see this is 9:45 marking the high and low, clearly you can see this is 9, see market opens here 9:15, 9:30, 9:45 we are marked up and down, it's high and low, this is inside candle 10 a.m. this 10:15 candle broke the high with the body, we'll take trade here itself, we'll take trade and we'll take a small 10-15 points trade, and when it comes down our trailing stop loss will hit. Again you can see this is an kind of inside candle, again here we will initiate our trade 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 boom, 100 points we are getting, easy 100 points we are getting. Then you can see 25th of June the third candle 9:45, a red candle marking the high and low. Once a person will master this strategy, he'll make profit which won't be less for him. So यहाँ पे clearly आप देख सकते हो बॉडी ने हाई तोड़ा है 12-15 वाली कैंडल ने, so we'll take trade here 23,617, from 617 to this consecutive 5 candles are green, See 70 points you got here, till here we are getting 100 points. Nice profitable trade. 945 green candle. So clearly you can see from here till here, from here till here, easy profit. of June, third candle, green candle, 9:15 one, will marking high and low. See how many times we are getting trade here. How many opportunities? Opportunity number 1, 10:30 from 23,570 to 546. Put side trade 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. At least 10-20 points we would have got here. Again. So you can see, hit this mark, we will initiate a trade. So from here you can see 23,570 again. We got a trade of. This is a big trade, I think. This is 130 points candle, 130 points. Huge. At 2:15. Nice. Again 9:15 you can see. Got a trade here, upside trade. A downside trade here. So here you can see 10:45 पे हमें एक initiate हुआ है trade around 23,521 level पे, यहाँ से good 30-40 points for the day. Nifty, what happens in Nifty? Nifty is less volatile and we can purchase more lots. It's less expensive, so easy. If we are getting less points in Nifty as compared to Banknifty, we can afford more lots, big position sizing. So बात एक ही है, it's not कि किसी में कम किसी में ज़्यादा. You can see this beautiful candle. You can see this big profit from here. At 10 o'clock you can see 23,559. 559 से आप देख सकते हो 444, 120 points, easy profit. Again this 9:45, 18th June 24. See, we'll make a big draw, big line. So how many times we are getting trade here? See, one time here, small, second time re-entry, then this small, 10 points, 5 points trade. So many times we got, although we didn't got a long position, but scalping trade we got. On 14th of June, clearly see, on 14th of June we can book our position at 23,407 level. Easy 40 points, easy 50 points, easy. Then you can see then you can see 9:45 marking the high and low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive candles are inside and consolidating. 7th candle, wick is outside, we won't initiate our trade. I think it is consolidated, it has consolidated throughout the day. We are not getting trade, not. Got a scalping trade here, 3-4 points here, 6 points, 10 points trade, scalping trade. So if people who are very experienced in the market can only go for scalping trade in such tight scenario, I won't be recommending everyone. Only good scalpers can go for these type of trades. Of June you can see here 10:30 got a green candle, broke the high of 9:45, 23,406 to लेकर 23,404 से 23,438. So easy. So again you can see this 945 candle, you can see marking the high and low, marking the high and low. You can see 10 at 10 a.m. we are getting a trade around 23,291. we are getting 30 points easy, trailing our stop loss. The rally is upside, so easy. On 10th of June we'll see 10th of June at 10:45, big red candle marking the high and low. We'll be seeing this 10:15 we got a trade at 23,325 level. Again 30-40 points. Here we can take trade 1, trade number 2 we can trade here. Then so you can see easily we have made profit on 10th of June. We'll see the rest day of the month. So 9:15 marking the high and low. You can see 10 o'clock candle we won't be going. 10:15 since body broke the high of 945, so we'll initiate our trade here. 22,980 mark. 1 2 3 4 easy points, and this rally is continuing till here, giving us 200 points. So easy trade. Again 6th of June we'll see marking the high and low of 945. Okay, so you can see here, from here you can see 22,770 level at 10 a.m. easy 4-5 candles rally, so easy profit you can book here. Then on 5th of June 945 high and low, marking the high and low. 10 a.m. candle you can see at 21,960 mark. We are taking trade easy. 960, 100 points easy, 100 points easy. This 100 points again 10:30 में फिर हमें ट्रेड मिला अराउंड 22,000 से लेकर 300 पॉइंट दिए हैं. 4th of June we'll see 9:15 9:45 candle. $9.45. So here clearly body is breaking the low of the 9:45 candle. So here we will be initiating our trade 22,570 level mark. So from here 1-2 continuous bearish candles in the put side. So easy, you can see 500 points easy, 500 points, which is huge. And again you can see again this 500 points after a consolidation for 45 minutes, 3 candles. On 3rd of June we can hardly see any trade in all the indexes which we have seen earlier, but still scalping will get. You can see 10 a.m. from 23,156 level to 194, 30 points trade here, 30 here, 30 here, 30. So a big rally, easy scalping trade. At least you would have booked 15-20 points and booked your profit. 30th of May we'll see. 30th of May we'll see 1-2 days in the May. So we'll be marking high and low. So easily you can see downside trade giving 30 points here, 25 points from 22,575 to 55, 20 points easy. 5 पॉइंट तो ले लेते यार. Be a good scalper if you want to survive in the market, क्योंकि लॉन्ग प्रॉफिट्स बहुत कम मिलती हैं, वो भी ट्रेल करनी पड़ती है, विच नीड्स गुड एक्सपीरियंस इन द मार्केट. आप देख सकते हो 29 मई को पुट साइड में ट्रेड इनिशिएट हुआ है 10 बजे वाली कैंडल पे 22,776 मार्क से लेकर इजीली 20 पॉइंट्स here, 30 पॉइंट कैंडल here, 50 पॉइंट्स. सो दैट्स ऑल as per 9:15 strategy. That's all as of 9:45 strategy, I mean. So we have seen sensex, we have seen banknifty, we have seen nifty 50, all the indexes we have seen. Let's see for a kind of we'll see 10 minutes if it is working on this sensex or not. This one, finnifty. Let's see what happens. Finnifty. This is finnifty. Clearly it is written here. 15-minute time frame. Okay. So we will be seeing a couple of trades here. देखते हैं finnifty में काम करती है कि नहीं. 9:45 strategy. So देख सकते हैं we will be marking the high and low 9:45. easily यहाँ काम कर रही है. यहाँ पे हमें 10:45 में 23,691 लेवल पे भी गॉट अ ट्रेड 1 2. इतना बड़ा मूव मिला है हमें क्लियरली. सो यहाँ किसी भी दिन काम करेगी. एक रैंडम मैं ले लेता हूँ, उसके बाद एंड करते हैं ये सेशन. एक रैंडम देख लेता हूँ मैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस 10th जुलाई लेता हूँ. 10th जुलाई 9:45. मार्किंग द हाई, मार्किंग द लो. सो क्लियरली यू कैन सी यहाँ पे सिंस इसकी वीक बाहर है, सो वी वोंट बी कंसिडरिंग ये बॉडी. इसकी बॉडी ने लो तोड़ा है, वी विल कंसिडर दिस. सो 10:45 पे इसने लो ब्रेक किया है 9:45 वाली का. सो अराउंड 23,570 पे हम पुट लेते, डाउन साइड ट्रेड लेते, और ईजिली आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे हमें 50 पॉइंट्स 60 पॉइंट्स मिले हैं. सो ईजिली इवन इट वर्क्स इन फिननिफ्टी. आपने देखा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. बहन भाई सीखो और करो एंड अर्न मनी फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली. हैव अ नाइस डे.